Yes, we are back with a new session, and in this session we are going to cover from question number 13 of the November 20 RTP for CA Foundation accounts. In the previous videos we have covered all questions up to question number 12. So we will now start with question number 13, and this is on calculation of goodwill. Okay, let us start question number 13 please. J and K are partners in a firm. ठीक है, their capitals are J 3 lakhs and K 2 lakhs. ठीक है, in this year and 31st March 19, so 31st March 19 is the year under consideration. The firm earned a profit of 1,50,000. तो ये profit firm ने earn कर दिया है. The books of accounts have been closed and the profits have been found out and they are 1,50,000. ठीक है, assuming that the normal rate of return is 20%. The normal rate of return is nothing but what the industry on an average is earning. The industry to which this partnership firm pertains. ठीक है, compute the goodwill of the firm based on the method of capitalization and super profit method. So these are my two common methods of finding goodwill. So we are simply finding the goodwill as per the method of capitalization and as per the super profit method. Now as per capitalization method, what we have to compare is what is the capital of this firm vis-a-vis what is the capital of the industry on an average, taking into account the rate of return as well. And if we earn the same amount of profit with lesser capital, then in that case the balancing figure is my goodwill. That is my capitalization method. We find out what capital we have, we find out what capital we should have had, and in case we are earning the same amount of profit by employing lesser capital, then the balancing figure is our goodwill. ठीक है, as opposed to this, in the case of super profit method, we find out what profit we are earning, compare it to what profit the industry is earning, and find the super profit content, and that super profit into number of years purchase is my value of goodwill. In this case it is 2 years purchase. ठीक है, so very simple. We will now start with the capitalization method. We are going to use 20% and 1,50,000 and we will find out what capital the firm should have employed. ठीक है, so let us find that number. Total capitalized value of the firm is nothing but 1,50,000 into 100 by 20. This means the capital of the firm should be 7,50,000, because 7,50,000 into 20% is nothing but 1,50,000. That means 7,50,000 is the average capital of the industry to which the partnership firm pertains to, and the industry is employing 7.5 lakhs capital to earn 1,50,000. However, our capital is this much, 3 plus 2, that is nothing but 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs is what our capital is, 7 lakh is what the industry capital is, considering that you want to earn 1,50,000, which means the balancing figure is 2,50,000, and that is nothing but goodwill. We compare what capital the firm should have employed to earn 1,50,000 and what capital the firm has employed to earn 1,50,000. The difference is your goodwill. ठीक है, second method is my super profit method. Here we compare what should be the average earnings of the firm considering the capital, and then find the actual profits the company has earned. Any difference is super profit, and that super profit into 2 years profit is going to be the value of goodwill. Super profit is not goodwill. Super profit is simply a proof that the goodwill is existing. To find the value of goodwill, we always multiply number of years purchase. In this case we find something called as normal profit, that is nothing but cap employed ka 20%. This normal profit of 1 lakh is nothing but what the industry is on an average earning, considering a capital of अपना कितना है अपना capital 5 lakhs. बराबर 5 lakhs से कहाँ से आया, 5 lakhs बोला नहीं है, we'll just mention this down. Capital employed is 3 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. ये 3 plus 2 कहाँ से आया, इनका capitals ये वाला 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs. So in case your capital employed is 5 lakhs, the industry is earning 20%, you should earn a profit of 1 lakh. लेकिन you are earning a profit of 1,50,000. That means super profit is nothing but the balancing figure of 50,000. As I mentioned, 50,000 is not goodwill. It is a proof that goodwill is existing, and 50,000 into number of years purchase is going to give the value of goodwill. And this is how we compute the value of goodwill as per super profit method. And we have also found out the value of goodwill as per the capitalization method. So in a nutshell, the capitalization method compares what capital employed should have been and what are you employing. Balancing figure is goodwill. As per super profit method, what average the industry is earning vis-a-vis what average profit you are earning. The balancing figure is super profit, and super profit into number of years becomes the value of goodwill. ठीक है, so one question gone, that is the